Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to make a minor 5-finger scale. If you are familiar with major 5-finger scale, it's quite simple to do. I will demonstrate first, so please listen and watch carefully. First, I play C major 5-finger scale, followed by C minor 5-finger scale. Have you heard a scene and a difference? When you compare the two, you will notice that only the third note is different. When we make a minor 5-finger scale, we lower the third note by half step. And voila, it becomes a minor scale. Let me play G major 5-finger scale. Note I played is G, A, B, C, D. So now let's see the third one and this monkey. The third note, when we lower third note half step lower, this will be G minor 5-finger scale. Let me play it. Now let's try starting with E. I hope you remember how to play E major 5-finger scale. Let me show you. Now let's see E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B. So we need to lower third note a half step. Here, so I lower the third note by a half step. Yeah, so we're gonna play E, F sharp, G, A, B. This is E minor 5-finger scale. So when you remove the sharp from a note, we need to add a natural sign on the music. Let's look at F major 5-finger scale. Do you remember how to play F major 5-finger scale? Which note has black key? Let me show you. Okay, so I played F, G, A, B flat, and C. And the third note is A, and we need to lower it by a half step. A to this one. So this one, now I move to half step lower. What we call this black key? Let's look at it. So first note is F, second note is G, so next one must be A. If you play half step lower, we add flat. So this we call A flat, and next is B flat. And then C. So F, G, A flat, B flat, C. So when you wanna make minor 5-finger scale, you always lower a third note by a half step. If you play white key as a third note, it's simple to add flat. But if the third note is a black key, so then we have to add natural to remove that black key. And usually now you have sharp, so you have to remove that sharp sign, adding natural sign. Let's start from A. I hope you remember A major 5-finger scale. So A major 5-finger scale is A, B, C sharp, D, E. So third note need to be lowered by a half step, removing a sharp. Yeah, let me play. So all of them are white key now. So this is A minor 5-finger scale. Beginning next video, we will learn the minor 5-finger scale one by one. See you then.